以色列特拉维夫的警报声在暗夜背景下听来格外惊悚。
These are the alerts that go out on all of our phones when you're in Israel. It's a 10-minute warning of incoming missiles or something incoming from Iran.
在美国寄出 GBU-57巨型钻地弹后，伊朗端出30枚飞弹攻击以色列。偏偏炸完伊朗之后，川普还加码发文。
Iranian regime is unable to make Iran great again. Why wouldn't there be a regime change? And then he wrote MIGA, a play on MAGA, make Iran great again.
直接帮伊朗抛出了政权更替的话题。川普这一次真的拿武器开炸，马上让网友想起了这件事情。
President Xi of China, I know him well, and President Putin of Russia, I know him well. He fully expects to take Taiwan.
美国《华盛顿邮报》去年报道，川普曾在闭门募款活动上称，如果俄罗斯入侵乌克兰或中国入侵台湾，他就要轰炸莫斯科及北京。一席话当场吓坏部分金主。如今真的对伊朗开火，是不是打给中国看，很难不有联想。
First president in 78 years that didn't start a war.
此外，川普时隔多月也自己打破了过去这个说法，让数字记录停在79年。中东大战窥见美国态度，枝微末节都有可能小题大做。3立新闻报道。